Hello angels, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ceeceemua, and before we get started, like, subscribe to my channel. Okay, we are here to talk about these bad boys. Yes, finally got my hands on them, and Revolution released some new Reloaded Palette, right? They released about 4, and this is called the Marvelous Mats, these ones, and this one is the Provocative. I think they've got 2 other ones, but this seemed kind of boring, so I didn't even bother with those ones. So today I'm gonna be trying these out. Yes. Also, yes, I got my hands on this. Yeah, cut Crease canvas. I got the shade white. I don't know why I did that. Normally I should have gotten the shade like darker than that, but I decided to go for a very light shade so that I can use it to cut my crease. But we'll see about that. Anyways, I'm gonna get my eyes done like now. So let's get into this. So to get started, I'm gonna be dipping. Okay, this palette has no names, but it's got numbers. So I'm guessing is 1 through to 15 here. So I'm gonna go into the 3rd one. This one here. This palette kind of reminds me of the okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys in. See, we are all up close and personal. So this palette reminds me of what's it called? Naked Cherry palette. I don't know, am I the only one that sees it? As in, it might not be a dupe shade for shade, but I think it's very similar, very similar, because I was looking at the picture. I don't have the Naked Cherry palette, but I do have this one. But this kind of like is so similar. I think the only thing lacking is there's a very deep maroon burgundy shade in the Naked Cherry one that is missing from this one. Aside from that, I feel like it's a good dupe. So, oh yeah, I've already primed my eyes. I used the Morphe eyelid primer. Alright, I'm gonna be going into number 11, which is this one. I'm gonna be using this brush. I think it's called Animal. It's an ice crease brush, and I'll be dipping into the 5th shade here. This palette is very powdery, or maybe it's that particular shade, I don't know. So I'm going into the 2nd shade, which is this one. I'm going to put that in my crease to dip in it further. Alright, so it's got a bit of a fallout. Anyways, I'm gonna be cutting my crease, so I'll be using this cut crease canvas. So everybody seems to be having a problem with it, but I don't think it's that bad. This is what I'm doing. I think this is gonna get dirty really quick. Not bad. Okay, I'm gonna be dipping into Actually, I'm gonna use this to set that base. I'm not adding anything to it, I'm just pressing it down in case it's not dry or something. I'm gonna be going to this shade here. Yeah, it's a shimmer shade. Okay, I'm gonna dip into this shade here. This one here is also a shimmer shade, so I'm gonna be putting it on the middle bit of my lid. Sorry, my battery died earlier. I'm gonna be taking this brush again, the little one, and I'm gonna take this number 2. It's a dark brownish maroon shade. I'm gonna apply that here so that it looks more seamless. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face now. I'll come back and tell you guys my final thoughts. Hey guys, I'm back. So I like this palette. I do like the color selection, right? But I feel like it's a bit too powdery, and on a good day I'm a fan of the Reloaded palettes because they're usually very pigmented, but this particular one, especially this Provocative, is a bit powdery. But for £4, come on, what was I expecting? But the other ones I've got the Urban Decay dupe, which is the Iconic Fever. That one is really good, very, very good. I've got the other one, the one with a lot of colors that is shimmery. I can't remember the name. I'll check for it. But yeah, that one is good too. As in, they're all very good. But for the price, come on, it's £4. It's £4. So it's doing alright. It's doing alright. Cause, girl, check out this look. That is really nice. I'm not gonna even lie. I like it. I actually do like it. I like the color selection because, like, I'm looking a lot pink. I'm looking nice. I'm looking fine. So me liking. Then the cut crease canvas. I'm gonna reserve my comment on this because I've got a problem with my crease. You see, it did cut hair. If you can see, it did a good job. It actually cut hair. So that's good. It cut hair. But I always have a problem with primers and concealers and whatnot. I don't cut my lid with concealer because I have this oily lid. So whenever I cut it with concealer, trust me, be sure to know that it's gonna crease. So by the time I go out and come back, if it does not crease, then it's good. But for now, from what I'm seeing, it's okay. It's not creasing. Like, it's not even about it creasing. It's actually about it separated. Normally it would have separated, but now, like, by the time I take pictures and whatnot, it would have separated. But no, it's not separating this time around. So I guess for now, at least it does what it says. It cuts the crease if you know what you're doing. So for now, me like the way I'm looking. I'm looking hella cute. I'm looking hella fine. So anyways, I'm rushing this video because I have to go pick up my friend's daughter from school. I'm already running late, so which is like the story of my life. But yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go now. But thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Drop me down a comment. So if there is any other eye look you want me to do, please let me know. If there's anything you guys would like to see from my channel, please let me know. So thank you so much and peace.